This Rose Realty property video is presented by Nathan Johnson. Amazing home in a great location. Built in 2019. Open floor plan with split bedrooms. Granite countertops and stainless appliances in kitchen. Spacious master with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Covered back patio great for relaxing. You'll love it. Call today for your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Nathan Johnson at 270-926-4203.